Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD, British Pound US Dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, this one, Gold USD, USD JPY, GBP JPY, and many more. So let's get started. So right now market is trading at 1.3535. This is the current market price. And as per our expectation, we did had a breakout yesterday. And remember I told you that waiting period is very crucial for any breakout. And this was the main reason. You can see that after this candle, yes, after this candle, market immediately came down. So the breakout failed to sustain, and right now market is trading below the level of 1.3550. So in short, the breakout failed. So what should be our trading strategy then? So as the breakout failed yesterday, so we cannot rely again. Okay. Until and unless we see some good move in the market, good volume in the market, plus price sustenance above this level for at least 4 to 8 hours, we cannot rely now. We cannot trust this level anymore. Right now you can see market is coming down and we have a trend line. We have a trend line coming from the bottom, and there is a possibility of trend line acting as a support to the market. But to be honest, in this market condition, I don't think so that trend line will be a very valid support to the market, because previously also we have seen trend lines failing to provide support to the market. Yes, it tried to provide support, but yes, ultimately it failed. So yes, we can go for it, but you should be very careful, and if you want to go for it, then the position size should be extremely small, and proper risk management should be followed, because we have our history is bad. Okay, we have seen trend line failing, so it can fail again. So keep in mind that this level may be support to the market. So if you buy, also go with a very small position. Okay, go with a very small position. And in case this trend line fails to provide support to the market, then we have the Fibonacci retracement level of 23.6%, this 1.3500 as the next support for the market. There is a possibility of market bouncing from this level. Why? Because the overall, if we just look at the trend of the market here, then we can see that overall this market looks towards the upside. Okay, the market seems to be in uptrend. So considering the trend of the market, if this is a retracement, then obviously the trend line or the 1.3500 should be providing support to the market. And in case both the levels, both the things fail, then there will be a selling opportunity in the market, and you can take a sell as well. If you see that market has formed a big red candle below 1.3500, you can take a sell position, and your target will be 1.3450, this level 1.3450. You need to exit by 1.3450, and if market bounces from this level, you can take a buy as well. Previously we have seen price being rejected from this level, so we can hope that price will bounce from this level again. So these are the opportunities on GBP USD right now that I see. Okay, if I take you to the chart of DXY, then you can see that DXY is still sideways. As we know, if dollar goes up, we see GBPUSD going down in general. And if DXY goes up, we see GBPUSD going down, and if it goes down, we see GBPUSD going up. So if dollar goes down, then this is the important support zone of 95.80 to 95.50. If dollar bounces from here, then the GBP USD has a possibility of going down. If dollar comes down and bounces from this level, and in case dollar goes up, then we have multiple resistances. If dollar reverses from the resistances, we may see GBP USD going up, and there is a possibility of also GBP USD, sorry, dollar going up today, because if I take you to the currency strength meter, you can see USD is bullish today. Okay, so Be careful with the chart of GBP USD, and whatever you do, please follow proper risk management, because see, things are kind of confusing right now. Okay, we do not know whether market will take support or not, because at this particular level we do not have any strong support right now. The strongest support we have is at 1.3450, which is quite far away. Okay, so be careful and follow strict risk management, and use the position size calculator as well. Bye bye, take care.